One of the newer restos na minamanage ng Bistro Group is Secret Recipe. I love the ambience here. Very pink, very girly, very me. It was my first time here and na-surprise ako kasi ang sinuserve pala nila, fusion of Asian and Western cuisine, but mostly Malaysian and Singaporean dishes. This is their starter platter para mas marami kami matikman. Love the chicken satay in this platter. Very tender yung chicken. Perfect yung timpla ng sauce, not overpowering yung peanut. This is the crispy chicken salad. We love the Asian salad dressing that they use. Favorite ng family ko ang laksa, kaya we ordered the Singaporean laksa and their curry laksa. For me, konti lang yung difference ng lasa nitong dalawang soup na to. Yung curry, mild lang yung pagka-curry niya. Pinaseparate din namin yung sambal para kami na bahala mag-adjust ng spice. Rice noodles for the Singapore laksa with fish cakes and shrimps. Egg noodles naman ang gamit dito sa curry laksa. I prefer the Singapore laksa kasi mas type ko yung rice noodles. But both are really good. Gusto ko yung mga sahog ng curry laksa. We also try their nasi lemak. Tigi-tigisa kami ng fried chicken. Sarap yung fried chicken nila, crispy yung balat and juicy sa loob. May anchovies, peanuts, and eggs and sambal sauce on the side. For dessert, ito yung sinuggest sa amin ng staff, the chocolate indulgence cake. For me, medyo dry lang yung chiffon, but pag kinain mo siya ng sabay-sabay with the cream and mascarpone cheese, okay na okay siya. Very tita na comment, but it's not too sweet. For our drinks, we tried the salted caramel chocolate. Tama din yung blend ng drink na to, hindi siya nakakaumay. Cappuccino naman, pang partner sa cake. Love the food, ambience, and yung price niya is reasonable. That's all. Bye!